everyone, Jeanniesdk here. Today we're making Cointreau Citrus-infused bread. So, come with me. I have 2 cups of dates that I cut up, and I poured in 1/3 of a cup of Cointreau. See? So this has been infusing here for about a half an hour. And you have to do it ahead of time so you give it time for the dates to be infused with the Cointreau. So we're gonna set that aside for now. And I'm gonna show you what else I have here. So I have a half a stick of butter that I cut up and got to room temperature, and 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. Now, everything is gonna be on the recipe in the bottom. If you hit more, you will see the recipe. I'm not gonna go through all the specific ingredients. I'm just gonna tell you what they are. Okay, so I have the butter and sugar in here, and I'm gonna beat that. Okay. All right. Want to get this kind of creamy. We're going to add the 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Boy, that smells awesome, and I haven't even put the other aromatic spices in yet. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside because we're gonna need it later. Okay, now these are the dates that I used to cut up. They're all pitted. So, yeah. All right. Now, I have 2 cups of flour and baking powder and baking soda in this bowl. And now we're going to add some more spices. I have ground nutmeg here that I grounded myself. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon. Nutmeg and cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I have ground cloves. These I grounded myself in my coffee maker. And we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon. If I can get the 1/2 teaspoon out. Okay, we're in business. We're good. Okay. And so I'm just gonna give this a mix here. I've already sifted the flour, and I'm just mixing in the spices. So there. Now we're gonna put the dates in here. We're gonna pour the dates in. Ooh, that smells good. Yeah. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I have 3/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts. We put that right in there. And And then we're gonna have a 3/4 of a cup of fresh orange juice that I squeezed. So we're gonna pour that in. Mix that up. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna turn my oven on to 350 degrees. So while it's preheating, we're gonna add the dry mixture into the wet, little bit at a time. More like half of it at a time. Oh, I wish you were here to smell this. It just smells so good. Also, I have my pan ready and parchment paper in. So we're good to go with that. Okay. Put it in the pan. Smells so good. Makes you want to eat the batter.
She's playing with a new toy.
Now, once I put this in the oven, we're going to be making the frosting to go on top. So once it's done, we're going to put the frosting on. Now, I hope everyone makes this bread, and I want to hear from you how you like it. And while we're at it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, our oven is ready, and we're going to put this in, and we'll be back when it's done.